Hi, we are kopylab. Our vision is for students around the world to be able to experience physics phenomena firsthand, no matter where they go to school.
To this end, we develop low-cost experiments that anybody can build, using only widely available standard parts like these
and 3D printed parts that we design.
This is our first milestone, an optical bench that costs less than 20 euros.
We can use this to show how all kinds of devices work. For example, microscopes, projectors, and other things with lenses.
On this optical bench, there's a USB lamp, a slide, a lens, and a screen to project on. And if we turn off the lights,
our experiments don't use any parts that are hard to build or hard to get by. You can get them around the world quite easily. That makes them more sustainable because we believe you'll be able to replace them or repair them for a long time. And the printed parts are also sturdy enough to handle daily school life quite well. Our vision is to make physics experiments like this available for everyone around the world. To achieve this, we want to build a community, an international community of people who share our ideals. And we think the Future League might be the ideal place to connect to people like this. Thanks.